A very good morning to students and hoping you all stay healthy. Thank you for all the students attend to this online class. Students, please fill your attendance on the Google form and also please on your camera also. Alright, today I will learn about the dative bond. Alright, then before starting this lesson, I will show a role play based on a cartoon picture. Let us see about our PowerPoint. Here, our PowerPoint. Alright. First, the hydrogen ion. It said that I did not has the electron because the hydrogen is lost the electron to form the hydrogen ions. Next, the ammonia, which called the NH3, is said that I have a pair of electrons to be shared. We look at the diagram, we can observe that the ammonia got an extra a pair of the electron, and the electron will share to the hydrogen ion. The hydrogen ion said that, wow, I have achieved a doublet electron arrangement. And the ammonia said that I am still in octet electron arrangement. What is happening at here? You can see that here. Alright, you can see that the arrow here show that the dative bond formed between the N and the H. What means that the two electron at the HH3 is shared to the hydrogen ion and forming the dative bond. Alright. Okay. After that, I will explain about what is the meaning of the dative bond. Here we go. Alright. Okay. I will use the pen to draw the important point. And the dative bond is a type of the covalent bond where the electron pair that is shared come from one atom only. Alright. The important point here is the electron pair is shared from the one electron atom only. Alright. Therefore one only. Notice that. Alright. Then they have another name is we can call the dative bond as the dipolar bond and also coordinate bond. Alright. Dipolar bond and also the coordinate bond. Okay. After we understanding about the definition, we need to know what the condition of the molecule for the forming of the dative bond. Here we go. Okay. The condition for the forming of the dative bond is, first, we need to have a donor atom to contribute a pair of electrons to be shared. Alright. The keyword here is contribute. Alright, here is contributes. And next, and accept the atom to be shared a pair of the electron. And acceptor here will to share the pair of the electron. And next, the both atoms will achieve the stable doublet or the octet electron arrangement after formation of the dative bond. Alright, and next, I will give you one example about the formation of the dative bond. Okay. The formation of the dative bond in the hydrosonium ion, which is we call it H3O+. Alright, here we go. First, the oxygen atom achieve octet electron arrangement. Here is the explanation. And also the H will achieve a stable doublet electron arrangement in the water molecule. And the water molecule here, we can call it as a donor here. Donor. We notice that it is a donor here. Alright. Because here got an extra pair of the electron. Alright. And the second, we need to identify what is the acceptor here. And the hydrogen ion here does not have any electron in the cell. Hence, the hydrogen ion here is an acceptor here. Alright. Can you wish me? And next, the third is the lone pair of electron will not involved in the covalent bond in the high H2O, well, sharing to the H plus ion. Share the one pair of the lone pair to the H plus ion. And next, the dative bond will form. Here is the forming of the dative bond. Alright. And next, in fourth, in the hydrosonium ion, the oxygen and the hydrogen atom all is achieve the stable octet and doublet arrangement respectively. Alright. All is stable, right? Okay, here is our explanation about the formation of the dative bond here. Alright, student, teacher will continue the class by asking you a few questions to making sure you understanding our class today. Alright, okay. First, my first question is, you can see the PowerPoint here. What is the meaning of the dative bond? Yes. Alright, yes, just open your mind and just answer my question. Yes. Alright. Alright. Yes, correct. Alright. Next, my next question is, what is the condition is requirement for the forming of the dative bond? Alright. Okay, Jimmy. Right. Just open your mind and answer my question. Okay, good. Exactly. Alright. I'll continue as next question. Okay, guys, can you give me at least 3 examples of the compound that it is having the formation of the dative bond? Alright. Okay. Mutu. Answer my question. Alright. Correct. Go study at home, yeah? Very good. Alright, student. We'll continue our study about the correct method of the using of Bunsen burner. Okay. First, the Bunsen burner is a very familiar apparatus that used in the chemistry subject. Okay. For this session, the apparatus and material we need is the Bunsen burner and also the match. Okay. Alright. Before using the Bunsen burner, we're making sure that the table does not have any book or paper. We have to keep our notebook and also the paper away from the. And next, we have to doing what? We have to making sure that the air hole of Bunsen burner is closed. Okay. And next step is the most important step. The student will always make mistake. Okay. First, the step is we have to take out the mesh first. Okay. We take out one mesh first. Okay. See? One mesh first. Okay. Let's say here is my Bunsen burner, alright? We have to mesh. We ignite the mesh first, and we close to the Bunsen burner. At the same time, we will use another hand to sweep the knob of the Bunsen burner to let the gas release. And we open the nose and we close it and open the knob at the same time, at the same time. Okay. After that, I will show you what the student will always make mistake, because from my experience, the student will make mistake because the student take the Bunsen burner, they're very excited, and they put the Bunsen burner at the table, and they just switch on and they just turn on the knob. They turn on the knob and let the gas release. At the same time here, the gas will release. Actually, the concentration of the natural gas is very high here. When you close the igniter mesh, it may causing the explosion. Okay. All right. after that, actually, after we successful to ignite Bunsen burner, we can control the flame by by closing or opening the air hole of the Bunsen burner. Okay, all right. After that, the last step is the most important step. What we have to doing it is after the heating process, we have to making sure that the Bunsen burner we have to extinguish. Okay, we have to extinguish the Bunsen burner before we leave the lab. Okay, all right. Here is the lecture for today. See you guys. See you on next week. All right.